ay mi ngo min be fo jabe mo to nyalti na ko wulolo wuli yale tambita ka fo moli ko ino senu bo jam rebelolti na ko wulolo wuli yale tambita ka fo moli ko senu bo jam works in Brikama area council na ko wulolo wuli yale tambita ka fo moli ko senu bo jam wati wasadi UDP court case in Banjul na ko wulolo wuli yale tambita ka fo moli ko we actually tracked his phone from one location to another until an unknown person was handed over to us in Casamas na ko wulolo wuli yale tambita ka fo moli ko mama la audio filtale na ko wulol wuli yale tambita ka fo moli ko I combat buto le dun kabira kan police olfa so woto nyancho e fengo fo ko wala mo tonyati wala be kere nyimbanko ka momo sontale sonto nyala ni balantale balanto nyala ka fo mole ko ha fo kumo femati nya fa fo nyanko fo tonyata no mo tonyata no what else are you going to call it? A lie is a lie. What else are you going to call it if not to call it a lie? Na ko wulol wuli yale tambita ka fo mole ko mbal marala sanji sabena amuru ya ko ni ba nyino le fengo fendiate ko wala fo ni aso do min diate e bara wala to nyata no tambita wala na ko wulol wuli yale tambita ka fo mole ko Masakunda man kuke Omar P Jallow la for him to come out to tell us that of course they seize his passport and ku kotangol wuli yale tambita wala na ko wulol wuli yale tambita ka fo mole ko of course the suspect confessed to the killings and of course he is exceptionally cooperating and the police are happy wuli yale tambita wala ni nyam Masakunda ka malo fon wali fanyani wuli yami fo nyimbanko ka la na tambita. And then you want to tell us that, of course, an artist should not actually speak about that? He will speak about that. All mutonyati. Na ko fanal ka pempendro la ka mona nalbe balanna wala ngam mo jalle lo nyanning ayatara ko ko ni suto ka kati de bulote nimba nyoto fo la jang atolo dol ka baro min fe the level of harassment in government and government institutions aning atolo minister dol ka baro lo min ke atolo cop city min be Senegal jang aning sali nindula ko tangol atolo ke baro lo mi atolo ka ta min na woto atolo ka mol min yalon ko alka mol export ka ta woto mol hakil mol yewol belo nyimba ko kal ko ta fo la jang Minister Kurunsi Fala Bejang, including certain directors and certain people, even at the office of the president, including some of the people who were involved in this case. Many along telebe konaka faniavo moli along atol be kuriani tapaliani tilimbaliya min na nyimbanko ka alko wata fola jang na ko duola atol be manya min na nyimbanko kan duwa yala tamita wala kata atol le subu kitunga je dawo dal ka fenkelo ko bual you're creating albe padie mo ni fen na ko alka pempe fo siri fo son ko nyol ni mo ko tongol min yalon ko be do ko la NPP da ali wal sama mulla missionol to why did the people in Cuba ali men sama non ali withdraw nan je including the ambassador ali boni nan je la na manga muso gold minga fo wanne muso le janko kani dimba amba tele je mbe Masakunda la na fulo use la pour ntenite ta tamo la wanne muso purieta tilimbaliani tapale yake wala wonyon tilimbaliani tapale yala tambita nyimbango alko wala tafola nyimbango ka. So what exactly did the guy say that is not true? Alkuma kilim fo nyeje ngamo dol jejane wol instead of ka fo mole ko ala ko kila ko woli e fonke Masakunda jayol tijang every day ni dia mota camera ko nyi comedian olomba fo imam wala fo mol mandra wol jaka luwolo nja aya tara ko that does not mean that represents everybody, but those things exist and they are the realities of our society. Ni ko ba jata e ma fo ko kasi de. But of course there are very righteous and of course mol bi jere min yalon ko be tilmani to nyala tamande kam banko kam bara dole bi je wala be tilimbaliani fongol la kunkili nafa na dole je afa ka ko president fon la nyanta na la sayin aka min ki na mo risabal nyol ni mo ko to wol they are comedians moro ni mol yo fo lo mo to nyade fo mol tulo mandra la jam mol ka fo mol kan ka wandi furel la kungol wulinde ka safol dundi je imam jumala findita nyim banko kam mi ya fa ko hey ala ko kila ko non moli sida janne wandi dingolo mutaje be torale be tilimbal yala hani fobi ka ka kangole la ka foko tolde mol fa num fangol nga long min ya long ko e fania fa ko da min ya long ko probably tolle bara do ko la, but who is actually talking about it? Nobody. Parembe wur la nyoko mbe kumo sifa be fo la nyoy nali e sunko dingol je tara TikTok ko be fen ko la wafa kadiano la wafa kanka mo be sa findine diamo bare man sami sita ko ko ndol ka wande furel le ko wolinde ka safo keje. Why is nobody talking about that? Karte fay ñu mole wala ñinde ko eta fawmal la muslimi yani la christian ya la karte ta karte fay molle min ya lon ko man la ala la wala ka wande furel le ko wala wuri ka safo lu dum dije ko muslimi yani christian ya wala fontoli to ta la fo ñi min fo ko to nyata no be dami mo do la be jantol ni tan ñol ye ñoo je janne nga ñolon janne kunun wala man hani fe ngo fen sura bi wala bu njambala lo wala mo to nyati fo man ngay to nyati ala nyem minister be min na nyem banko kan jumala mo lonja so ala fonye to nyata no foda dami nan choy min fo wala mutonyade ni sonta la wala mutonyade ni man songa la be balandin tonyalla ni wol de go and look at their pretentious attitude of hiding behind but I didn't know fenga dina nya tonkol fenga moro hey eko ni mu minti ngai ni siro ni abula ka bala waling instead of ay kuma kan wala min fo min yalla dimi pempeñol nin ku kote min yalla dimi al wol fo para atol mandra imam ya jang atol la mama jabi imam jalle nenyi banko kanja. What did you people say about that? You all were muted on that. Alma ani fengo fem faje na atol ka atol muslime ken dole atol ka bulam min no wala ko atol ka wat idol ka wandi furel da kungol wuri ka safo le keje fo muslime yalti. What did you people say about that? Alsa murung alballa nafiki ya mesengol la kamurung ka fo mole ten ko na diata le masakunda support ndolla haji tawto de bara to nyanin tilungom do taman la nyim banko kanan nyanta min folam bo folal woto gambian ko lonte bala kono to diala min nal kana bula adama no adama manke mo kendete adama mantara do ku kendela gambia ñene manke molti min yalon fanko la muslimi ala timmata ka fo dalla don ko jimin ko wuli manke saliti de katite ko jimi ye ko wuli yeta maka ena muru ne wandi furelo ko wuli yesa folo dundi je pour ite to man se yalo wo mo muslimi asi falde so ñun la mu kulti min yalon ko our society must continue to persistently ask for accountability from this regime. That is the most important thing. And then any hypocritical lawyer who believes that we are going to dictate people that you are defending, and you must tell them, do this, otherwise I do this and that, go and do whatever. Gambia London, because Nimbanko so be long, Jani be more defender, in about sign that or be mean for you actually put up your TOR. But Gambia long, somebody could go in the middle of something and say, go, Ndati Yatara Dunga, Taranson in Talate, Itasia, Kamindiata, Barawala, Tanatawala. But I mean, Kumarawala Yintiko, nothing will change the cause of justice in this case. Justice will be delivered, Sini wala Sina. Nothing is going to subvert the cause of justice in this particular matter, and everything that is happening in there is nothing but just the truth. So if somebody wishes to go, tell the people the truth, that you are affiliated to the regime and you don't want the regime to be exposed, and of course defending poor people would actually bring you nothing, and of course failing to defend them, or deciding to take side with the regime through pressure and of course enticement would actually give you better financial reward. It's better to go and side with that financial reward than to defend the cause of justice and truth for the poor people. So don't in any way try to pretentiously send a different narrative to the public, because we all know what's going on in this country. Para alamati loto dia alamati nya sabati la alamati lo soto na banko ka alamanga masal soto min yalon ke lata ala le kabara to nya ni tilingola para manke molti min yalon ke ka to nya tano fo so me ta bara kudola mo min ko nya sanji sabo sanje tanga ka beta sanje tanni lulu ba indila alko don kilala min faman to nya wala min fota amanke kuma di mate mora beta diano la to buka kuma di ma fo mole luwolu atolo be molla mol nanna jang mol ba to ko luwolu wolbe dinan ko dina nyaton ko nenna luwolu wolbe political leader nenna jal nenna man fem fo wala ku dal be derin tek na la jeki dal ta kuma kalan tan fo mole ko atolo adun ta jabora jang ko nga dol me ka ko bonko sa boy mu ngeen noppi da be na fik ya ko moro fon dol kala luwolu be la wurol la bara ning wati wo wati so do no nga fen so to me min fo la mena fo la gambian ko la da bani masa kunda la ko to pour nga gambia tilni wasoro dami ya lon ko to nyani tilno la sabatila do baliye mo be mi ya lon irrespective of your financial capabilities, irrespective of your your region, your demographic reality or characteristics, all of those things should not matter in in the delivery of justice in our society. Mo jalle mo lo faja simply because of the family min to pressol min be dubo gambia lon bankote mi ya lon ko bakito ka kana prison Gambia lom bankote mi yalon ko mo falal nyuma sakunda in February ni mo kotangol ye bulay filita itara Gambia lom bankote mi yalon ko mol min ka musole nyaping kang rapist are actually left out of our prison. So where is justice and where is truth and where is accountability in this country? Nowhere. To nyuma ke banko tilen denti nyaton ko le man telling minister le man telling idoku nyol man telling ibe telling baliaren ko malam be min fole na muron ko tanke some of these private lawyers who are affiliated to government are worse than even the government itself. So wala baraka badimo